Hi guys, my name is Hiya. In this video, I'll show you how to make an easy and beautiful room decor. So let's start. Take 2 strips of crepe paper. My crepe paper is double-sided. And put glue on one end of one strip. And put the other strip on top of it like this. Then fold this strip over, the bottom strip over. Top one. Then this bottom strip over the top one. And repeat this till you get to the end of the crepe paper. Now once you get till the end, you can put a bit of glue and stick it. Now if there's any extra, you can cut it. And your garland is ready.